I am shaking in my boots. Okay, I'm not wearing boots, but I am shaking and sweating a little bit because I do not like cold calling. I've only done it one other time and it was in this video and this is how it went.
Why do you people call like property to you guys for a little or nothing?
But because of popular demand from you guys and because I don't want my nerves to make me miss out on some potential great deals, I'm doing it again. That's right, today we are going to do some live cold calling. In fact, this is gonna be the first video in a series of cold calling videos as I try to get some off-market wholesale deals. What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Lili, and this is where I'm documenting my real estate investing journey and bringing you guys along with me. Up until now, all of my wholesale deals have been on market, meaning there were properties listed for sale on the MLS through a site like Redfin or Zillow. Now, I really like these types of deals, but not everyone likes wholesaling on market because you have to deal with things like real estate agents, proof of funds letter, and high earnest money deposits. I also think it's worth targeting some off-market leads because there is this possibility that those deals could have higher wholesaling fees than the ones that are on market. So I'm doing it live on camera for you guys right here, right now, and let's see how it goes. If you appreciate this raw, honest look into what it's like trying to start your own wholesaling business, or maybe you just hear the mic picking up the sound of my racing heart, please show your support and your encouragement by changing the color of the like button. Hitting that thumbs up tells me and the mighty YouTube algorithm that this is a high quality video, and even if I get cussed out and hung up on all day, I'll at least be happy if you hit the like button. Alright, so let's dive in. Today I'm gonna be cold calling the secret Zillow list, and this is a list that I first heard about while listening to an episode of Brent Daniel's TTP podcast. I'll put a link to that episode down in the description below, as well as a link to the interview that I got to do with Brent. The secret Zillow list is when you cold call rental listings that you find on Zillow, but not just any rental listing. You want to look for the listings that maybe are below market value or a bit run down because you're trying to get in contact with a tired landlord. These calls to possible tired landlords might be a little bit easier than just straight up cold calling a random homeowner, so we're easing into this cold call series, and I've scoured through my local Zillow listings and I've picked out about a dozen listings that I'm gonna call today. If you're gonna target this list as well, a few things to remember is that if you find a listing that looks like it's freshly remodeled, it's probably not the best idea to call because someone who just put a bunch of money into their property is either one, not gonna wanna sell it, or two, want to sell it for at least market value or maybe even above market value, and that's not what we're looking for. And then the second thing you wanna think about is if the listing is listed by a professional property management service, you're probably not going to be able to call and speak directly to the owner and the decision maker. And so all of the properties that I've picked are ones where it's just one person, you can call them, they're the owner directly, and I can have that conversation with them. And so I'm not recording this after the fact. This is actually real time. Before it happens. I don't know how these calls are gonna go. Maybe you're nervous and sweating with me, but either way, let's dive in and see what happens.
Hi, this is Chad. You know what to do and when to do it.
At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hi Chad, my name is Lili. I am a local investor here in Tulsa, and I was calling about your rental listing on 27th Place. I was just wondering if you got that rented out already, and if not, if you would be interested in possibly a cash offer or doing some type of owner financing. I look forward to hearing from you. You can reach me at... Thank you. It always seems like the first cold call I make, this happened in this video as well, it's like I'm so hyped up for it and I get voicemail, but that's all right. We're just gonna keep going. So this guy is a realtor. It says that he's a realtor. And one thing I wanna know is not only would people be interested in a cash sale, but also would they be interested in owner financing? Because if they want monthly income, this property is for rent for $750, he might be willing to take less than that, $500 a month, to do an owner financing deal with me and not have to deal with any of the upkeep or, renting out of the property. And so it could be less money for less hassle. That might be something that homeowners are interested in. Let's see.
Hi. This number is using RoboKiller to screen their calls. Please say your name and the purpose of your call, and I'll try to connect you.
My name is Lili. I'm calling about a rental listing.
Thanks.
Hi,
this is Bob Haywood. I'm the Career Director and Director of Education here at McGraw Realtors and with McGraw Real Estate Academy. If you have questions about how to get your license or how to enroll in our school, please shoot me a text.
Okay, so we're gonna send him a text because obviously he wants people to text him. And here's what I'm gonna say. Hi, Mr. Haywood. My name is Lili. I live here in Tulsa and am a new real estate investor. I see that you have several rental listings around town, and I would love to know if you'd be willing to sell or owner finance any of them. I appreciate your time and look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Cool. Let's keep moving.
Hello, this is Manny.
Hi, my name's Lili. I'm calling about your rental listing on Haskell.
Yes.
I was just wondering if you would be interested in selling or owner financing that property.
No, I'm good. No, thank you.
Okay. Do you have any other properties you might be willing to get rid of?
Are you guys wholesalers?
No, I'm actually looking to either make a cash purchase for myself or to do owner financing.
I have a couple of other properties. They're not quite ready to live in, but I have one that's not in too bad of conditions.
Okay, yeah, I would love to talk to you about it. Are you wholesaling it, or is it just one you've got?
No, it's one I bought not too long ago. I just haven't got the time to fix it yet because I have some other properties that I'm working on right now.
Got you. Well, do you know how much you want for it, or can you tell me what type of condition it's in?
Well, I know when I bought it, the electricity, they stole it. Has some new windows, but some of them are broken. If not, we could possibly meet tomorrow and see the house.
Yeah, what part of
And I
town
can
is
show
it in?
you it.
Okay. Yeah, I know where you're talking about. Are you cool giving me an address, and that way I could kind of look up a couple of things and let you know if I'd like to see it tomorrow?
Yeah, sure. Just give me like 15 minutes and I'll send it to you in a few.
All right, sounds good. I appreciate it. That went well. And that was a tip I got. I don't know who I was watching. I watch a lot of different people, but just saying, like, if they say no, always ask if they have another property that they would be interested in selling. So I will definitely make sure I save his name and number. And if he doesn't text me, I'll be texting him in a little while. Now, he did ask, am I gonna wholesale the deal? And I am looking for my first flip property. And so that's why I said I'm either looking to cash buy it or to do an owner financing deal. Now, if we get into a situation where I'm looking at it and I'm like, hey, this is gonna work for me because I don't have enough money or I don't have experience to flip this, I need to partner with someone and assign it to them, then I would have that honest conversation. So that's why I said that. I think you should always be honest and let people know what you're gonna do. Owner financing is always a great way to get a property, even if you don't have enough cash to outright purchase it. If you guys want me to do an entire video on owner financing and how that works, put your favorite emoji in the comments below. We got a text message from our guy, said thanks, but we're not interested in selling. Good luck. So let's respond and say, no problem. Thanks for the response. All right, some things were happening. I was a little worried that I would record this whole video and get nothing but voicemails for you guys, but we did at least get through to one person. So let's keep going.
Can't take your call now. You can leave a message after the tone.
Hi, my name is Lili. I'm trying to reach Ken about a property on First Street in Broken Arrow. I was wondering if you would be interested in owner financing or selling that property. Thank you.
Just Doug.
Hi, my name is Lili. I'm calling about your property on 71st Avenue.
Yes.
I just wanted to know if you were open to owner financing or selling that property.
Well, I don't actually own the property. I just manage it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think the homeowner is interested in selling it.
Okay.
Could be something, I mean, I could always run it by him, but I don't know that he's interested in it.
Okay, yeah.
If you wanted to share, if you want to share with me your information, if you want to text it to me, I can send it to him and say, let him know that you're interested in it.
Yeah, that would be great. I'll text you now and just let me know, but I appreciate you passing the ask along.
Sure, absolutely.
All right, thank you. I'll text you now.
All right,
All right, bye-bye. What do you guys think of my phone voice? Let me know that in the comments. All right, let's send a text. So I'm just going to say, thanks for your time. My name is Lili, and I'm looking to buy a property either through owner financing or with cash. If the owner is interested in selling any of their properties, I'd be interested in taking a look. Thanks again for passing this along. I can be reached at cell phone number. All right, let's keep going.
Hello?
Hi, I'm trying to reach Josh.
Josh has gone home for the day.
Okay.
Steve, can I help you?
Yeah, my name's Lili. I'm calling about your listing on 66th Court.
Yes, ma'am.
I was wondering if you all are open to owner financing or selling that property.
No, we are not.
Okay. Do you have any others you're looking to get rid of?
No, we're not.
All right. Thank you.
We don't sell very easily. Once you get land and property, the last thing you really want to do is sell it,
All right. I hear you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Hi, I'm trying to reach David.
Hi, this is.
Hi, my name's Lili. I'm calling about your listing on 1st Street in BA.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm doing well. Thanks for taking my call. I was just wondering if you all are open to owner financing or selling that property.
No, I'm not looking to sell it.
Okay. Are you
I'm looking to rent it.
I hear you. Do you have any others you might be looking to get rid of?
No, I really don't right now.
Okay. Well, I'm definitely looking to either make some cash purchases or to do an owner finance. So if you ever,
Are you?
Yeah.
Are you a wholesaler?
Well, I have wholesaled, but I'm looking to keep one for myself. So either looking to put some cash to it or to owner finance.
Gotcha. Well, if you guy that you're wholesaling, give me a call.
Yeah, I'll put you on my buyer's list for sure. Anything in particular you're looking for?
No, I mean, nothing really. I mean, three and twos are nice, but I've got other, properties too. I got houses, I got duplexes, multifamily, whatever. If you've got stuff that you're looking for a buyer, give me a call.
Yeah, I will. I'll keep you in mind, and you keep me in mind as well if you ever want to get rid of anything.
Gotcha. Okay, we'll do.
All right, thank you. Talk soon. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Also a good way to find buyers, so I will throw him into my buyers list database.
Hometown Real Estate.
Hi, I was calling about a listing on East 26th Street.
Okay, yes. I think that's still available. I think it's $825 a month. It's a 3-bedroom.
Okay, and I'm wondering, are you all open to owner financing or only renting?
Just renting.
Okay, all right, thank you for your time.
Well, thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay, I don't know how well you guys could hear that one, but the reason I didn't go further is because the name on the listing is different from the person that answered, and he answered as if he's like running a real estate company, and typically they're not the decision maker, and so having the conversation there doesn't take me anywhere. So that's just why I did that. Let's do some more. All right, I'm not as nervous as I was when I started. I am hungry though. Should have ate before I did this. All right.
Hello?
Hi, I'm trying to reach Jeff.
This is Jeff.
Hi, my name is Lili. I'm calling about your listing on 62nd Street.
Oh, yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
I'm wondering, are you open to owner financing that property?
owner financing it?
Yes, sir. Or
Buy it?
yeah, or doing a cash offer. Either way.
No.
All right. Do you have any others you're looking to get rid of?
No, not at this time.
All right. Thank you for your time.
I'm not trying to get rid of that one.
I hear you. I hear
just
you.
learned that.
Okay. Good to know.
Okay.
Thank you for your time. Bye-bye. A little awkward.
For Spell Property Management, please leave your name and number, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.
Hello?
Hi, I'm calling Rest LLC about a listing on Xanthus.
Yes, your name?
Yeah, my name is Lili. I'm wondering, are you all open to owner financing or selling that property?
I do not believe so. I would have to contact the owner and check with him, but I don't think so.
Okay. Would you mind checking for me, and then you can just keep my contact info and shoot me a text if he's open to it?
Yeah, if he wants to sell it. It's a duplex.
Yeah, that would be great as well.
Okay. Okay, hold on. I will call you as soon as I find out, okay?
All right, I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Yeah, I'll take a duplex. Even better. Also, just to tell you guys, the reason I called that one, even though it was an LLC that was listed, was just the way that the pictures were taken, definitely taken by a cell phone, and not a very good cell phone. And the listing description wasn't very, like, flowery. It was just like, 2-bedroom, 1 bath, blah, blah, blah. Very basic. So, maybe they're a retired landlord. Let's see.
This is Annette. Leave me your name and number, and I will call you back.
All right, so before I forget, let's text our guy earlier who said that he had a property he'd be willing to get rid of. And of course, if I do decide to go see that property tomorrow, I'll take my camera with me and we'll make a vlog out of it. And maybe it'll be our first off-market deal. We'll see. All right, I'm saying hi there. This is Lili. We spoke on the phone a few minutes ago. Send me the address of that property when you get the chance, and I'll let you know if we should meet to see it. Thanks. So, what do you guys think? I know that cold calling is something that can be intimidating, but this really wasn't that bad. And maybe you don't want to start directly with homeowners, and maybe you want to try something like this where you're calling the owners of rental properties, because they may just be a little bit easier to talk to. They're expecting calls about that property. And I mean, at the end of the day, what's the worst that can happen? They're just gonna say no. Maybe they hang up on you. Maybe they have a few choice words, but you'll probably be okay. And everything that I'm saying to you guys, I'm saying to myself as well, because I know it can be nerve-wracking, but I want to share my journey with you guys and help you along the way as I'm moving down this path too. So if you like videos like this and you want to see more cold calling, hit the thumbs up button, and until next time, thanks so much for watching.